Okay, well, right now, as you can see there, I've got the ones that I've already sharpened marked with white, and so I'm just continuing on to go tooth by tooth and sharpen it. Seems to be sharpening okay. What I'm going to do is I count to 4 every time I get it on the wheel here. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004. And put a mark on it. I can see one of them where I didn't get it very good. Well, maybe a couple of them they aren't too good. So I may have to go over some of them again and give it a second shot. But you might be able to see some of the detail there on the tooth. Right there. See, this one's been sharpened here. So 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004. And I was never able to find another of these fixtures at the local big box home improvement store. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004. Okay, well, I checked this motor after sharpening this entire blade, and I also the motor isn't very hot at all. There is 2 oilers right here and here. They aren't covered, but I did oil it before I started. And I'm really satisfied that this is going to work. Now I'm going to go over to the table saw and try this. The thing you got to make sure is that your teeth face this way so that they cut against the action of your piece that you're putting through the saw blade. This is the saw blade that I sharpened previously on my saw blade sharpener. Okay, this is solid maple. Did a pretty good job. These teeth are a lot smaller than that more expensive blade. I think I bought 3 blades like this in different configurations. I think this is one of those blades. And they all came together in a pack. I think I bought them for around $10, $15. So they weren't really expensive. We'll see how this goes. Now we're going to take off this triple chip blade. Try this 60 tooth blade. Got it pretty high to the right height. Take off about the same amount as we did before. Clean it up a little bit. Yeah, about as good as you can get it.